Today I am back with another video, and I have my little brother with me, and Emiliano, and I am going to have a special guest with me. Is my mom. Come on, This is my mom. This is my mom, and this is gonna be my mom's helper. So, she's going to put in these stuff. So the first thing I have is paper clips. And I have this baking soda, not baking soda, baking powder. And I also have this coconut oil. And this baking soda. And Vaseline. And I don't know what this is. What is this?
Aloe vera jelly.
Jelly thingy. And some beans. So my mom's going to hide them. And yeah, I'll go in that room over there. Did you record that? Ready? This is rice. That's a lot of rice. No, wait, let me touch it. Wow.
Okay.
Go.
I can't see.
That's the point.
What is this?
Try to guess.
A big giant tower. Is this cereal? Chanel, a big giant tower. I don't know what this is.
Yes, you have 3 guesses. So you said cereal, and we say no.
Is this is not Vaseline. Is that 3?
That was 3.
What is this? I'm guessing
It starts with a B.
it's not rice, is it?
I'm a big
Wait, it starts with a what?
B.
A B. Beans? It's beans? Oh, it's not rice. Ew.
Refried beans.
Next.
I beg one.
I'm so scared. We're doing a part 2 though.
I think this one is like
A big giant.
And then I have. Ew, this is not beans. Is this like water with?
I want milk and first say
Leftover sería de Millán.
Before this video ends, I want to do something really fun. Before this video ends, I want to do something to my mom.
and
To go. Okay, guys, I am going to do something horrible to my mommy. So I'm going to put something really gross. Let's go.
Go.
you freaking up, man.
To make it extra gross.
Yeah, let me see.
And there's something in the bowl.
You.
Is it just one thing?
And
It's probably jelly.
This is not jelly.
rabbit.
That's a cereal. That
There's
has to be a cereal.
yeah, that's something, but
You
there's
guys
some
mixed it.
with something.
That's layer.
You can pick now to see what's gonna.
Okay.
It's probably jelly.
And there's something else in it.
So good. Bye.
This is what inside it was. It smells horrible. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I enjoyed it very much. And make sure to subscribe, click the notifications, give that video a thumbs up, and